member of the phenomenal group BTS, has achieved a prestigious milestone as a solo artist with the song With You, which is the original soundtrack, OST, for the TV and drama Our Blues. The song garnered over 250 million streams on Spotify, the world's largest music platform, on September 26. Jimin released a With You as his solo project after BTS announced a temporary break. The song immediately stole listeners' hearts with its emotional vocals and profound lyrics. The OST accompanies key moments in the drama Our Blues, which has become a fan favorite around the world. Jimin's achievement of reaching over 250 million streams on Spotify is a testament to his appeal as a solo artist. The song With You also topped various music charts around the world and received praise from music critics for its outstanding vocal performance. Jimin, who has always been known for his mesmerizing stage presence, released the immersive and aesthetically pleasing official music video for With You. The video has also reached millions of views on video sharing platforms. Fans all over the world are giving tremendous support to Jimin in his journey as a solo artist. The impressive streaming results on Spotify are just one of many proofs of the love and support Jimin has received from ARMY, BTS loyal fan community. Jimin himself feels extremely grateful for the success of With You, and hopes to continue surprising his fans with more amazing solo works in the future. With You continues to captivate listeners around the world and will remain one of the most memorable OSTs of Jimin's solo career. We all look forward to seeing what he will bring to the music world next. Congratulations to Jimin on his remarkable achievement. Jimin is indeed one of the most gifted talents in the music industry, both as a member of BTS and as a solo artist. The feat of With You reaching over 250 million streams on Spotify is an impressive achievement and shows his great appeal as a solo artist. Moreover, it received praise for its emotional vocals and profound lyrics. Jimin has always been known for his mesmerizing stage presence, and the immersive and aesthetically pleasing music video for With You only adds to the song's appeal. Fans around the world, especially ARMY, have been incredibly supportive in his journey as a solo artist, and this is a testament to his irreplaceable love and support. We are all looking forward to Jimin's further solo works and wish him continued success in his solo career as well as continuing to captivate listeners around the world with his incredible talent. May he continue to create music that amazes and inspires us all.